The other thing is, I'm going to say network, network, network. So I hope you guys are connecting with each other. Certainly, Brendan's a great resource for each other, and probably some of you are in. I don't know exactly how classes are scheduled. If you guys are sometimes synced up at the same time, maybe not, says Brendan, but the opportunities like this, it's a cool way to see each other's faces. And you guys are going through a very similar experience. And I think you guys have Slack channels and other things you can connect with each other on. Network, connect with each other, share things with each other, connect on LinkedIn. Uh, and and when sometimes when I talk about or others talk about networking, tech people especially, they get scared of this. They're like, oh, that feels kind of slimy. I'm just trying to connect with people so they can help me out. And again, this goes back to the network stuff. Networking isn't about just trying to get something out of someone else. Okay. We're trying to shift this, and you're trying to connect with people, network, not to get something out of them, but to build a relationship that you can contribute to. Right. I was reading a book the other day that talked about a guy who went to and this is a guy who flies in high circles, obviously. He went to a fundraiser that Richard Branson was hosting, right? Richard Branson, founder of all the Virgin companies. And everyone else was trying to get Richard's time and learn from Richard and try and sneak some questions out of him, because they looked at Richard as this guru who's done a lot of cool stuff. Well, this guy, he went to Richard and he said, "Hey, Richard, I have some ideas of ways you could continue to grow this fundraising effort that you're doing. I'd love to share those with you and find ways to help you out." And because he sought first to give rather than to take, he got a lot more time with Richard. He got invited to Richard's Island. He became the #1 fundraiser of Richard's staff, of Richard's nonprofit. And they've developed a much closer relationship because he sought first to give. It's a mindset shift. Same thing with any networking effort that you give. You want to be building relationships and a relationship that you can give to. And this is why I'm a big fan of starting and asking early for informational interviews, which I think we'll talk about a little bit later some more, where instead of just writing emails and sending LinkedIn messages, like those are good starting places. But if you can start having conversations with people and building actual relationships, then suddenly, they feel a personal connection with you. It's not just some random person that they've messaged back and forth on LinkedIn. Okay, so network, but do it in a way that you're trying to build relationships, not just get something out of people. Okay.